Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Abhilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, Canada and UK, and I also share my daily analysis on the Forex currency pairs. So today in this video I'll be analyzing and recommending few stocks for 26 Feb 2021 Friday only. Okay, this analysis is for Friday only. So the first stock that I have for you today is Manulife. You can see that the present price of Manulife is 25.76. Then on the daily time frame, you can see that uh, it tried to go up yesterday, but it failed to cross the resistance on the daily time frame, and ultimately it closed at 25.76. So two important levels that we need to look for the day is 26 and 26 on the upside and 25.5 on the downside. Okay, so if the stock opens between 25.5 and 26, you do not need to trade. Okay, just wait for the stock to cross either 26 or either 25.5. Okay, if the stock crosses 26 level, okay, if the stock crosses 26 level, then let the stock trade above the 26 level for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, let the stock comfortably trade above the resistance level because this is a resistance. Then only initiate the buy position. And if the stock uh, show you a downside below 25.5 level, and if you spot some heavy selling pressure, then also you can short the market. Yeah. But better look for buying opportunities above 26 level. Just remember, you need to wait. Okay, you need to wait for minimum 15 minutes. 15 to 30 minutes is ideal. Let the resistance become the support, then only initiate the buy position. The next stock is TC Energy. For TC Energy, you can see that it has made a big red candle yesterday, right now trading at 54.37. So today's important level will be 53.96. Okay, this is your important level for the day. If you find TC Energy below 53.96 and if the selling pressure is eminent like yesterday, go for shorting. Okay, you can sell it. No buying call for TC Energy for today. Okay, if you because just look at the size of the red candle. Okay, that means that there were some heavy sellers present yesterday, and surely they will be present today also. Okay, there will be a tug of war between the buyers and the sellers. Okay, so if you find TC Energy below 53.96 and if the pressure is good enough, then short the market. The next stock is Suncor. You can see that yesterday Suncor, after successfully closing above the resistance day for yesterday, Suncor has made a big bearish candle or a red candle yesterday, and it has closed below the daily resistance again. So, which is not a good sign. Okay, so important levels for today will be 27.46 and 27 and 26. Okay, these are the important levels for today. If the stock trades between this range, I'll say that refrain from trading. Do not trade. If you find a stock below 26 level, short the market. If you find a stock above 27.4 level, we can go long. But just get a confirmation with the help of volume. Volume is required. Okay. We switch over to the next stock, and the next stock is you can see that I have marked a line here at 30.63 level, and this stock is Power Corporation of Canada. Okay, Power Corporation of Canada is trying its best to cross the resistance level on the daily time frame, but it is failing to do so. Okay, so there this has become the extreme resistance 31.2. So if you find a stock today at 31.2 level, and if you see that stock is struggling hard again at 31.2 level. Okay, you can short the market there also. And another level for shorting the market will be 30.6 level. If the stock opens at 30.7 or here 30.4, you can short the market. Okay, easily you can short the market. And as there is extreme resistance available at 31.2 level also, if the stock goes, if the stock tries to go to the 31.2 level, and if you see that stock is really struggling hard, it is suffocating, then also you can short the market like this. This is the next stock, Brookfield Property Partners. For Brookfield Property Partners, you can see that after a series of green candles, mostly green candles, it has made a big bearish candle yesterday. Okay, the stock's LTP is 21.65, and I have drawn a line at 21.59 or 21.6. Okay, so after this candle, okay, you can short the market if you find a stock below 21.5 level, and your target will be this 50-period moving average. I don't know where it will be there today. Okay, it should be at around 21.35 or 3 for today. If you spot it below 21.6, then you can your target will be 21.3 or 35. Your this 50-period moving average will be your first target. And if you see that it has crossed the 50-period moving average also, and the selling pressure is too high, then you can trail your stop loss. Okay, trail your stop loss. So this is your level, short below 21.6 level. Next stock is Sapoto, and you can see that Sapoto was in consolidating, then it started going down. Remember, I always tell market moves from higher volatility to lower volatility and vice versa. So the important level for Sapoto will be, as it has successfully closed yesterday above the daily support. Okay, it did not break the support, it has managed to give a closing above the daily support. That's a very good sign. So today you can go long at Sapoto above 36.6 level only. Okay, if you find a stock between between 36.3 and 36.6 level, do not trade. Let the stock cross this level successfully. Let the stock give you a breakout. Okay, then you can go long. Let the stock trade comfortably above 36.7 or 6 level. Let the stock stay above the level comfortably for 30 minutes, 15-30 minutes. Okay, let the resistance become the support, then you can initiate your buy position. Okay, before that, no. 36.6 to 36.3 is your no trading zone for the day. Only buy above this level, 36.6 or 7. Okay. So these are the stocks that you need to keep your eyes for the day on 26 Feb 2021 Friday. Okay. And if you're watching my videos, and if you watch my previous videos, hopefully you are making good money. Okay. So if you found the video informative, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, because I just bring my videos just before the market opens. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel and show your support. And if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much.